Hi, I'm Logan McNeil. I'm a project engineer here at EWI in the arc welding and DED processes group, but we also do a lot of automation. So over here in our new process automation lab, we have a UR robot. You can see we've got a joystick set up, and we're using it for what we like to call tele-grinding. So we're taking a off-the-shelf grinder, added in our own apparatus. We've got a visual sensing as well as some force feedback on the camera itself. And with that, we can actually manipulate the robot around to do all sorts of applications from a distance. So as you can tell, we're able to control it globally in the X, Y, and Z planes, as well as moving the wrist location and putting it at the right orientation for grinding applications. This has applications in shipbuilding and casting industries where they're looking to be able to remove the operator from the dirty, nasty environment and try to get them out of the harm's way. So another big thing we do at EWI is our tele-welding. This is something put together by Connie, one of our engineers here in the automation group. You can see Tim Moore, one of our technicians operating the system. It's got force feedback and haptics on the pin stylus. He's actually using to generate tool paths and be able to do welding from a remote operation setting. So you can see here the image itself, he's moving, and the stylus is actually controlling up and down, left and right of the robot itself. And so if you look around here on the other side of the curtain, you can see we've got the robot over here following his moves. So he's able to move back and forth as well as control speed and welding settings all within the stylus and remotely. This is very applicable for shipbuilding and other casting type applications where you'd really like to get the operator out of the way or bring certified welding technicians back into the loop remotely. Also at EWI, we do a lot of process automation. So not only do we do welding and material removal, we're also looking at NDE, so inspection type of services. So this is a cell with an industrial robot arm that has multiple ways of switching with an ATI tool changer between the different types of inspection properties. Well, we take a lot of pride at EWI in being able to automate any type of process that comes to us, particularly in manufacturing settings.